striking, I must say, but I'll tell you this. If it was haymaking this time of the year, this particular week, it'd be very unusual, of course, but it'd have a bit of trouble with the winds as well. Quite strong winds coming up from the south, up to gale force at times as we go through the week. But obviously, with a wind from the south, it does mean to say that temperatures are going to be pretty high as well. So I think frost is very unlikely anywhere as we go through the next 5 or 6 days. Just the indication perhaps at the end of the week into the weekend that the wind will go towards the west, a bit lighter by then, but that really is just at the end of the week, and there's no sign of things changing after that at the moment. Now today's chart is quite indicative of the sort of thing that's happening. Quite strong winds across the north. It's been particularly wet across Northern Ireland, central and southern Scotland so far today. So much so that at Glasgow Airport and at Eskdalemuir there's been nigh on an inch of rain, and it's still raining and continuing to do so as well for the rest of the day. Further south, just the odd spot of rain coming across northern England, but a good deal of bright weather for England and Wales today. Lots of sunshine around, really very pleasant indeed. And this brighter weather across the far north of Scotland, edging a little bit further south as well as we go through the afternoon. So it's just that sandwich of rain in the middle which is going to be particularly troublesome. Temperatures then 12 to 14 across the north and up to 16 across the south. And then tonight we'll find that pulse of rain invigorated once again. There's more heavy rain returning across Northern Ireland, western and northern Scotland. Whereas further south again it remains fairly clear. A bit on the chilly side as well, down to 6 degrees in the east of England. Actually it could just dip away to about 4 up in the Moray Firth area before that rain band returns from the south. But the rain band also moving away pretty quickly on Monday. But look at all those isobars. That indicates a pretty windy day tomorrow, but a pretty warm one as well, with the low pressure out there across in the Atlantic Ocean. Much of England and Wales then tomorrow having a fine bright day, 16 degrees, lots of sunshine around. The rain becoming lighter further north and less extensive, although it will push back in again across Ireland towards the evening time. And the reason for that weather system there, which will mean some quite heavy rain, I think, coming into western parts during Tuesday afternoon. That will leave a warm day but a windy day for the bulk of the country, possibly up to 18 or 64 Fahrenheit by then. And then for the middle part of the week, it's a mixture of sunshine and showers, that first system clearing away pretty quickly, I think, on Wednesday morning. Lots of bright weather about, but some more rain coming into these western parts later in the afternoon and through the evening. So a wet end to the day on Wednesday, and then it's back to square one once again towards the end of the week. This next system pushing in across the country, and then a ridge bringing a good deal of fine weather, I think, on Friday, but just a few showers waiting in